34 in the valley.
But I heard two things. You said bank and someone else.
No, it's at empowerla.org. That's the email address to submit the nomination.
Okay.
All right, you're gonna list all of the,
Yeah, I got that.
all of the summits we had last year.
And the debates.
And the debates.
No, I thought you were saying nominate.
So the speaker series, the summit.
The speaker series.
Yeah, you can
Yeah, we have a lot of
self-nominate,
stuff.
your
That's what
board
I'm
members can
saying.
nominate.
There's-
Well, list everything, so
Yeah,
just
Go
go,
through all the old agendas.
Okay,
that's exactly it.
Thank you, Glenn.
Thank you, Glenn.
All right, Donna, Miriam, and we're out of here.
Oh, okay.
Glenn.
Okay, we do have a problem still, since we can't speak it on signs, we do have a problem that we still need to fix sidewalks. We still need to be able to get trash cans so that the people won't say this is a town I really don't want to go to because you got trash all over the floor. We still have problems with, that still looks bad with all those restaurants over there closed down. They need to try to get somebody else in or those stores back in because it, I mean, right next to where the government area is and our city council, neighborhood council, they're all closed down. It looks bad. And this is a kind of a wasteful meeting, I hate to say, because that thing going off, it's hard. I realize you can't do anything about it, but you can't concentrate. And it seems like it's mostly been a meeting with the neighborhood council among themselves. And today, other than George and Jeanette and some of the people over there. The other people seem like they can care less whether we're here, and it just might as well just be, if you closed it, you would. We don't seem to matter today, so let's fix up Van Nuys. And the signs are okay, but let's fix up Van Nuys.
Adjourn.
Oh, you got another?
One more gentleman and we're out.
Oh, Christ.
Oh, yeah.
You really need to restore the video conferencing that's here. People can't get to the meetings in the traffic. It's very inexpensive to put it back. They have the infrastructure. The problem is your council president, Herb Wesson, has completely annihilated public comment at the meetings. You give him 60 seconds of public comment. He cuts you off at every turn. He cannot control his temper. The second assistant president is Mitchell Englander, running for the Board of Supervisors. Vote no on that little scumbag. Because what he does is he starts you off on your time and right away he says you're off topic. Purposely cutting you off from speaking. This is causing a lot of aggravation. We were just in Encino having an executive board meeting. In the back, there's a president there named Todd. And basically, he says to me, you stink. You want to escalate it, take it outside. We'll take it outside. This is a city employee conducting a Brown Act meeting. He just did this. And then he wanted to know on one agenda item, while one member of their council maybe represented themselves inappropriately as a member of the council speaking before a zoning administrator, why that person didn't show up. Well, it's obvious why he didn't show up. This man threatens people in a Brown Act meeting. He does it, and your leader, Herb Wesson Jr., does it. Steve Soboroff on the police commission, the